Hello guys, so what's up for today's video? So we will discuss about the subscription button. So as we know that subscription button is one of the tools of Meta or Facebook, which is we earn money if someone subscribe our Facebook or our channel. Yes, but same like the star. So subscription button and the star are the same tools that if someone are subscribe or someone are giving star from our followers, then we earn money for that. So same like me in my profile, guys, is still not unlock the subscription button, but if you want to subscribe my Kabayan in open to subscribe for only 3.99. So guys, here the catch. So from my side, if someone subscribe on my Kabayan in Dubai, which is 3.99 dirham only, so I will subscribe back. So why I'm telling you this one? Because seem like you, I'm small content creator as well, so we need to help and we need to support each other, so in order to grow together, guys. So if you subscribe on my Kabayan in Dubai subscription, which is 3.99 dirham only, it costs like $1. Yes, it costs like $1 only. And then I will subscribe back to you by this my profile, Jelson Dagos Bendibel. Okay? Because in subscription, guys, if no one will subscribe us, so definitely we're not getting earning or we're not getting money for this. So it should be our followers or top followers or people that they like us and they will subscribe. Of course, it's good, but if no one subscribe us, then we're not earning money for this. So guys, we need to help each other. So for my side, here the catch: if you subscribe my Kabayan in Dubai just for only $1, yes, because I set the amount for the lowest amount, which is in dirham 3.99 only. So why I set in the lowest amount? Because I want you guys to subscribe on me. I want you guys to subscribe on my Kabayan in Dubai, which is the lowest amount fee only, so that all can subscribe because this is lowest amount. And here the catch: if you subscribe, so I will return back to you guys. If your subscription button is unlocked also, then I will subscribe back to you. So this is the one thing that the all small content creator can support each other, guys, in order we can grow together. So no one will subscribe us except for the top fan, for the people that they love us too much. So even though they are not content creators, so they are willing to subscribe, but if nobody subscribe, then we're not earning money for this subscription button. So this tools is the same as in the star monetization tools. If no one give us, and we're not earning money as well. So what are you waiting, guys? Here the Kabayan in Dubai. So if you subscribe, then I will return back to you. Okay? So thank you so much and have a nice day to all followers and subscribers. See you around. So I will come to you.
Guys, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share my videos and click the bell button, so that you're updated for my latest videos. Thanks for your support. God bless and have a great day.